Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're going to do this lovely flip flap that will hold a gift card. I put a little tear and tape there to hold on to it. Let's get started. Card base 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. The first layer is 3 3/4 by 5. Then the second layer is 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then the layer on top of that is 3 1/2 by 2 1/2. You need a tab that measures 2 by 6, scored at 2 inches and 2 1/2, and a piece of DSP 4 1/4 by 3 that you cut a slit. And I use the Stylish Shapes die to cut that out. So you can pause here for the measurements and take these out. Oh, and some ribbon. So let's go ahead and tear the first one pieces first. That's the first part. Second layer here. I put some dimensionals already here to raise this up. I'm going to fold the two lines here. This is the part you're actually going to pull. And let's put some adhesive on here to hold it down. So this goes here. This slides up and adheres to, we'll make it so it sticks out a bit, but not too much. You want to be able to close there you go. You want to be able to close the card and the envelope. Oops. There. Close. More tear and tape on the tab. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and stamp. The one we did for the sample is Happy Father's Day, so let's do Happy Mother's Day. And you're just going to match the edge of this to the edge of here, centered as best you can. Oh, actually, you can, but yeah. We can also center it. Center it, that'll look better. And then the ribbon in here. I did use a retired pinch for that part. Simple knot. And that's it. And we'll make sure to put some tear and tape to hold onto the gift card here. And there you go. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share this video if you think of anybody who would like this. And also subscribe, and you'll see many, many more of these video tutorials in the future. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.